Safety Toolbox Talk number 381. Hands-on fire extinguisher training, why it matters. 1. The gap between knowing and doing. Many workplaces offer basic fire safety briefings, videos, or posters explaining how to use an extinguisher. But in an emergency, theory often falls short. Real-life fire situations are chaotic, fast-moving, and dangerous. Hands-on training closes the gap between knowing and doing by giving people the opportunity to physically handle a fire extinguisher. Practice proper usage techniques, like pass. Simulate real-time decision-making under pressure. Two. Understanding fire extinguishers and fire classes. Not all fires are the same, and using the wrong type of extinguisher can be dangerous or ineffective. Fire classes: Class A, wood, paper, cloth, ordinary combustibles. Class B, flammable liquids, oil, gasoline, solvents. Class C, electrical fires, wiring, outlets, machines. Class D, combustible metals, magnesium, aluminum. Class K, cooking oils and fats, commercial kitchens. Hands-on training helps people identify different extinguisher types. Choose the correct one based on the fire class. Understand limitations, e.g., never use a water extinguisher on an electrical fire. Three. Building muscle memory with the pass technique. In a crisis, people revert to what they've physically practiced. Hands-on training emphasizes the pass method: pull the pin. Aim low at the base of the fire. Squeeze the handle. Sweep side to side. Through live or simulated practice, this technique becomes second nature, enabling fast and effective fire suppression during an emergency. Four. Reducing panic and improving confidence. Fires create fear, smoke, noise, and disorientation. A person who has never touched an extinguisher may hesitate or use it incorrectly when seconds matter. Hands-on training reduces panic by boosting confidence through repetition, familiarizing users with how extinguishers feel and work, teaching safe approaches, escape paths, and scene assessment. Trained individuals are far more likely to stay calm and act quickly in emergencies. Five. Preventing small fires from becoming disasters. Most workplace fires are small and controllable, if acted upon quickly. Trained individuals can contain or extinguish the fire before it spreads. Reduce smoke and damage. Minimize injury and property loss. Support the safety of others until professional responders arrive. Without training, valuable seconds are lost, and minor incidents can escalate into full-blown emergencies. Six. Supporting a culture of safety. Providing hands-on training sends a strong message that safety is a shared responsibility. Employees are empowered and trusted. Preparedness is a priority. This fosters a proactive safety culture that extends beyond fire incidents, promoting general awareness and risk reduction. Seven. Compliance with legal and insurance requirements. Many regulations require fire extinguisher training. OSHA Standard 1910.157 mandates that employers train workers if fire extinguishers are provided for employee use. NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, recommends hands-on training as part of fire preparedness. Insurance providers often look for evidence of regular safety training as part of risk management. Failing to provide training can lead to legal issues, fines, and greater liability during fire-related incidents. '8. Practical skills that save lives. Even outside the workplace, fire extinguisher skills are universally valuable. Whether it's a small fire at home or in a public place, trained individuals can respond quickly to protect loved ones. Use extinguishers correctly and safely. Prevent injuries or worse outcomes in the crucial first moments of a fire. Thank you.